Any mention?
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, we beg to make a joint mention of item 20.
Which is this? When?
If your Lordship will list this matter after vocation.
Mediation.
It's affidavits have been exchanged.
Your Lordship, we cannot come to a settlement, Your
No,
Lordship.
affidavits have been exchanged.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Proceedings are complete.
Yes, Your Lordship.
As mediation proceedings, I feel this matter for hearing after vacation.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 28, Lordship. Due to personal difficulties, Lordship, up to 2 weeks, Lordship.
No objection, Lordship. This matter was referred to mediation, Lordship.
Same. After vacation, yes.
Hi,
May it please, Your Lordship. I would like to make a mention of fresh case we will be filing in the course of the day. There's an urgency, Lordship, as...
Unlisted?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What's the matter? VC?
No, not VC, Lordship, but there's a suit already been decreed. So the executive magistrate has overlapped and passed an order exceeding the jurisdiction of the civil court already decreed. So, Your Lordship, what happened in the order, he has granted...
When was the decree passed?
It was passed in 29 January 2025.
Then?
So execution has been filed. It's completed. And all the trespassers and person has been evicted, Your Lordship. There has been illegal entrance of some other people. So an FIR was filed, proceedings were pending. So a bond was executed. However, Your Lordship, they have approached the district magistrate, and the executive magistrate has passed an order exceeding and overlapping the order of the...
What order has been passed?
That 5 days is granted to some other person to clear and harvest all the crops which have been cultivated in my land. Lordship. Has granted 5 days.
Which district is this?
Ribhoi district, Your Lordship.
I don't know whether we have time today or not. Anyway, this... But I think is that 5 days time is granted. Let it come on Monday.
But Your Lordship, I received the order last night only. The urgency is that they have granted 5 days starting from today. And tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday, Lordship, and something may happen and law and order may occur.
Who sued that party?
Some other third person, Your Lordship. But I succeeded in the I succeeded in the suit.
You want to harvest that party?
No, Your Lordship. Actually, we do not know, but so that the peace and order should be maintained.
The order has been given to whom to harvest that?
To some third party, Your Lordship, under the advice and direction of the defendant, who have made also a private respondent in the application.
Now, which part of Bhoi is this?
Jalithem, Your Lordship. It's under Jirang block. So it's quite far, Lordship.
Yes.
So, Lordship, law and order problem may arise as previously there has some law and order been. Yeah, highly obliged.
Already filed?
Yes, Lordship, it's under process.
Lordship, I beg to mention items 27. Lordship, I humbly pray that the matter may be released after a week, Your Lordship. After a week, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, no objection.
After vacations?
After a week, Your Lordship.
You do it today or after vacations?
Well, it can come after vacation because it was for mediation, it did not succeed.
For mediation?
Yes, it was sent to
then
mediation.
after vacation.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19, Your Lordship. I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Your objection?
Survey report has come quite since.
We have submitted a report, my Lord.
This is regarding this cultivators?
Yes, Lordship.
Why you want time then?
The arguing counsel is out of station.
Okay, after 2 weeks, yes. Yes, make it quick.
Hello, obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30, Your Lordship. Lordship, I humbly pray that this matter may be listed after vacation, Your Lordship.
This mediation also?
No, Your Lordship. It's a Nokma matter, Your Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Highly obliged, Your
Vacation, the prayer also.
May it please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 26, Your Lordship. I pray it may be listed after vacation, Your Lordship.
My Lord, no objection.
You are there also? Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, item number 22, Your Lordship.
After vacations?
Yes, Your Lordship.
No point, yes. After vacations.
Yes, my lord, this can come after vacation.
Item 23 as well, Your Lordship.
Okay, after vacation, yes. On the prayer of this person to you.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item 21, Your Lordship.
After vacation.
After vacation, sir.
Okay. I don't see the objection. What was it? Yes.
21, sir. Oblige.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, Lordship.
Object, Your Lordship.
Object?
Yes, Your Lordship.
29, what? One room long stone?
Yes,
What's the matter about?
We challenge the promotion of the private respondent, Your Lordship.
Private where?
Case judicial.
KJDC, Your Lordship.
Why objection? You ready with the matter today?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, with sitting door.
He's not available today, Lordship.
We'll have it next week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Monday, okay. Yes, till next week. Yeah.
Highly obliged.
The mention been made on behalf of the respondent's counsel, however, objected to by MS Ibla on behalf of petitioner. This matter next week.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Yes.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, here the petitioner is a victim of fraud, Lordship. Here one person, he introduced himself to be the manager of...
Introduced himself to be the?
To be the manager of Ambuja Cement Limited, Lordship. And he said that he is the manager of the office located at Guwahati. So he placed some order, Lordship.
You placed some order with him?
For the purchase of some cement, Lordship. Some cements, and he, as per his direction, he made some RTGS amount on 2 occasions, Lordship, 13 November 2023 and 14 November. And the RTGS in the check, my lord will find at page 11, Lordship.
What happened?
Then he has given the account number as well as the beneficiary's name, that Ambuja 7, that is at page 11, Lordship. And he made the RTGS, that is from the next page, as he given, the fraudster has given the account number, Lordship. And the IFC code is given with regard to Guwahati branch, Lordship. Now, Lordship, the transaction was processed, Lordship. The amount went to one person by the name Greja Chaudhary. The account belongs to the one person,
Greja
Chaudhary, not the Ambuja Cement.
How Ambuja Cement Limited went to Greja Chaudhary?
Lordship, that is the now.
How is it? You mean this check was intercepted or fraud?
Fraud, Lordship. Now he became the victim of the fraud, Lordship. Now, when then till 17, he was thinking that he will deliver the cement, Lordship. Then 17, the matter that his mobile was switched off. Then immediately when he realized that he became the victim of the fraud, then he written a letter to the bank. Then bank immediately, that SBI immediately initiated the matter with the Axis Bank. Then somehow the amount has been, that the account has been kept on hold, Lordship. That David Priest, Lordship. My lord, then I file a complaint before the ombudsman, and the ombudsman has given a report. My lord will find at page, this is the statement of the bank, Lordship, 29, Lordship. (28) is the email communication, Lordship, Annexure 11, and the 29 is the correspondence made by the bank to the ombudsman, RBI, Lordship. My lord, here, if my lord will find 10 line from bottom, Lordship, that Bipin Mathur, that is the statement of the SBI, the Axis Bank, and the SBI number Guwahati is the statement of the Guwahati, Lordship.
Where are you reading from?
My lord, I'll just read Bipin Mathur, Lordship, page 29.
From the second paragraph?
My lord, not second paragraph, I'll start from first paragraph, Bipin Mathur.
10 lines from the top or 10 from the
10 from the bottom, Lordship. Serial number 3. We used to inform you that an amount of rupees 2,90,014.
1 second. We should inform you that we shall be able to settle the disputed amount
Yes, Lordship.
Funds in his account.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Consent.
Yes, they are waiting for the consent from the forester. They are saying that unless we receive a consent, we cannot reverse the amount to the.
How is it possible? Then what about have you filed an FIR?
Yes, Lordship.
What happened to FIR?
FIR, nothing, my lord. The police has sent the FIR, Lordship. Because the incident happened that side. Now, whatever may be, after taking cognizance of my complaint,
who is Bipin Mathur?
Bipin Mathur is the employee of the Axis Bank. This is the authorities of the Axis Bank. He is saying that money is there. We have all the money.
Heard Mr. S.A. Sheikh, counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice.
All the response.
Yes, issue notice returnable in 2 weeks. Yes, shall be taken by our registered AD within 2 days, within 3 days. List on also. Yes.
Item number 2.
Yes, Mr. Ian.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, this matter pertains to the arbitrary action perpetrated by the respondents number 6 and 7 by way of letter dated 21/11/2025.
1 second. Which letter?
Yes, lordship.
Letter dated
21/11/2025.
Where's that?
Which is at annexure 9, page number 51 of my writ petition, lordship. The translated copy is at page number 53. Let me read, lordship. With reference to subject matter mentioned above, the Dorbar Shnong Lightring O has decided that you must remove and clear all materials and immediately dismantle the houses that you have illegally constructed without obtaining permission with Loam San Nong Bet, which falls under the Adong Sinshar of Shnong Lightring O. You are also ordered to complete this work within 7 days from the date on which you received this letter. This act of yours is against the village laws of the Dorbar Shnong Lightring O, Sora's aimship. The Dorbar does not allow anyone to build or to claim lands without proper permission, even for those who are residents of the village. This comes after we have stopped you several times and after we have also given you a written notice on the 7th of January 2025, which you ignored and acted as if the village has no authority. With this, we believe you have understood clearly and see that you shall not make any mistake regarding this order. Now, what happened in this case, your lordship? The facts of the case is that the petitioner is a business owner having a plot of land which has been duly registered before the sub-registrar. Now, this plot of land has been acquired by him by way of inheritance in Pedeng Shnong Sora, lordship, which is a completely different village from Lightning O. Now, in the year 2000,
the dispute is because they say that this place comes with jurisdiction like Ringo village.
Yes, lordship. That is their claim, lordship.
Any
and they
proceedings, collateral proceedings which are put
no, lordship.
on before any authority with regard to
what happened, lordship, is that now a resort has been constructed and is fully operational with 30 or so odd rooms, and the resort is fully booked on every occasion by the guests. What happened is that sometime in the month of October, on the 4th of October 2025, the the respondent number 6 and 7 trespassed into the property along with 50 or so of their goonies and intimidated, threatened my staff along with the guest, lordship. This caused a great alarm, and they erected a signboard in the middle of my property, lordship. So what happened after that? An FIR was lodged, but prior to the FIR, a complaint was given to the CM, lordship.
By you?
Yes, lordship. The CM referred the matter, advised that I should lodge an FIR before the competent authority. But before that, lordship, there was a clarification which has been sought by me from the CM himself, lordship. And the clarification to this dispute has been addressed by the CM by way of a Purwana, which is at annexure 6. Annexure 6, lordship, page number 41. The Purwana is dated 17th of May 2011. Now, this Purwana states that the land, page number 41, lordship, annexure number 6.
The type copy is next page.
The typed copy is on page number 42, and the translated copy is at page number 43.
Okay, yes, sir.
Lordship, there's an interim prayer as well, lordship. If I may be allowed to, if your lordship may be pleased to stay the operation of the...
Yes, sir. In this case, Ms. Heard, Mr. LCM, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, issue notice. Ms. R. Cooley.
My lord, I'll accept notice on behalf of 1 to 4, my lord. 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
1 to 5. Notice to go to the. What about where's Mr. Paryat? Notice to go to the response number 6, 7, 6 and 7.
6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, Lordship.
Where's
8 and 9 have been served, an advance copy, Lordship.
You served to the council?
Yes, Lordship. An advance copy has been served.
Yes, Mr. Paryat, is you'll accept notice on behalf of the council? Yes, MS Arkoni is present on behalf of respondents 1 to 5, and Mr. J.K. Paryat is present on behalf of the performance respondents 8 and 9. Such to further notice upon the respondents, register to take steps next time on the remaining response within 3 days. So, next paragraph. The grievance as projected by the petitioner is that the respondents who are stated to be the office bearers of lighting of village have sought to disrupt the operation and functioning of the petitioner's resort, which is submitted is constructed of own property with due permission. It is submitted by the council petitioner that in spite of an FIR. Where is that?
FIR, which is at page number page number 44, Lordship, annexure number 7. That is the complaint made to the CM. The FIR is at page number 50.
Annexure of complaints made to the CM and also an FIR being filed on 13 October 2025. The police authorities have not taken any steps which has led to a situation that has compelled the petitioner to come before this court by the instant application stamp. Ms. Elson prays that as the resort is fully operational and bookings already been made, which will not only disrupt the. I thought Mr. LCM submits that unless some protection is given at this stage, the situation. Mr. LCM submits that the dispute, it appears, has stemmed from a boundary dispute. It's a boundary dispute.
That is what they're projecting, Lordship, but
between Lighting Village and
Prudential.
Stuff. Therefore, prays for interim protection at this stage. In having heard the counsel for the petitioner, on behalf of the country, it appears that there is having heard the conversation, having seen the materials as placed, it is noted that the complaint had been made before the respondent by 8 CM Sora 1
on the 5th of October
2025, and also an FIR had been filed on 13th October 2025. What is worrying is however, the letter dated 21/11/2025, whereby the petitioner has been directed to remove all structures which he has constructed in the said land. So, in this view, the matter, in the concept view of this court, unauthorized case is made of interim protection, as nobody being any authority can take the law into their own hands and pass such directions. Is therefore provided until next date that the Superintendent Police East Kashmir direct the OC of the Sora Police Station to ensure that law and order is maintained and no disturbance is caused in the meanwhile. A list after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 3.
Please, let's. This is that matter concerning the.
Why don't you just file it in Guwahati?
The issue here is, that
we understand you.
Part of
your only grounds that the entire recruitment process done Shillong. And that's the only thing. But
and
your
that
appointment
would,
is for
that would per se, not oust the jurisdiction of this honorable court.
But we have to have some judicial discipline, because in the sense that a similar matter we already directed.
Well, it's in that other matter.
That is the only thing.
Well, it's in that other matter. I was just examining it.
Yes.
Well, it's your lordships have. Well, if I can draw your lordship's attention to para 5.
The order.
My lord's order that was passed. This is dated, my lords, the 23rd of June 2025. WPC number 246 of 2025.
Yeah.
Para 5, my lords, have held that in the entire chain of events, apart from the fact that the writ petitioner being a resident of Meghalaya, no other material facts are there to support the court as jurisdiction of the instant matter. Therefore, my lords, this would not, my lords, in my humble submission, come in the aid of the Union of India insofar as territorial jurisdiction is concerned.
See, the thing is that appointment is for Guwahati, right? CRPF.
True, my lords.
Then?
Well, it's because the admitted position here is that, my lords, the venue for the written examination was in Shillong, in Kuala Patti, my lords. The medical examination was done here. Right. The physical test was done here.
No quarrel with that entire
no, my lords,
process.
My humble submission is, my lords, only when I qualify in the written examination, my lords, qualify in the physical test, I qualify in the medical test, that would culminate into a formal order of, my lords, appointment, which they have issued from Guwahati. So, my lords, it cannot be said that no part of the cause of action has arisen in Meghalaya.
No, it is. You see, the thing is that we have to maintain discipline again, because in this earlier case also, his resident Meghalaya, upon order may have been issued in Guwahati. It's a report for duty in the group center in Guwahati.
True, my lords.
So that's the only thing.
But as your lordships have held in para 5.
That is what it was argued in the earlier case. So since even though the appointments from there, but he being a resident and the entire recruitment process being here.
But para 4 also, if my lords may kindly see, it is seen the appointment order was issued from the group center 9 Mile Guwahati, and the writ petitioner after allegedly joining was also serving there and attached as an orderly to the deputy commandant, and even after cancellation of the appointment of the post.
Your position is the same.
No, my lords. No. My position.
You have not joined, Dr. Mozika.
When I went for verification, there was a dispute with regard to my date of birth and my 12th certificate, my lords. So they asked me to go and correct it. I corrected it and I went back, and after that they've been sitting on it.
Then we'll hear you on the next date.
My lords. Well, there is also a new judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court authored by Dr. Chandrachud, where, my lords, this preposition of jurisdiction and alternative remedy has also been
listed next week.
My lords may kindly hear us. That this judgment can be distinguished insofar as the facts of this matter is concerned.
That's only by the worry of this court that we have, since an earlier case we have.
My lords, I bow down.
Cause of action, my lord.
Yes.
Article 26.
Yes.
Cause of action is a very well settled law, my lord.
Anyway,
they want to prolong their choice.
This item number 1.
I'll oblige.
Yes. Other side. Yes.
May it please your lordship.
Why do we call for the records?
Lordship, to ascertain whether the authority that passed the order leading to the suit land being determined in the name of the respondent number 3, whether they function as a village code or not, my lord. And our appeal is that they are not a village code. They are not sitting as a village code.
Let's see the order. What's the order? The appeal is you appeal not a village code.
My lord, because the order passed by the additional district judge of the district council is that the Dorbar Shillong has functioned as a village code while passing this order.
Which
Lordship, at page 100, my lord.
Just see the
page 100, annexure 13.
Rules of them.
So the order of the village code or the Darbar, whatever.
Not record. They have not placed in record.
That's not a report.
That's why the lower court. Lordship, that's why the lower court records were called for, my lord.
Yes.
My lord,
now they before the lower appellate court, you challenge the order of village court or Darbar?
No, my lord, what happened here, my lord? They went and filed an application, and application will itself will show that they are asking the village court to adjudicate the matter, my lord. Now, village court adjudicated against them, my lord. What they do, instead of filing an appeal against that order of the village court, they file a fresh suit, my lord, before the trial court. Now, trial court granted ex parte injunction, my lord. Against that, we went and filed an appeal before the judge. Judge held that since that was a village court order passed under administration of justice rules, my lord, and as an appealable order, fresh suit is not maintainable. That's the crux of the matter, my lord.
No, but in this order, you see, how do we decipher this order? Whether it's a village court or you have a look at the records.
Lordship, at page 132, my lord, of my appeal.
No. 132.
132 of my appeal.
Right,
no, my lord, it's a letter from the district council, lordship. My lord, all Darbar Shillongs cannot function as village court, lordship.
Yes, see, Dr. Mojika, the order is passed by Darbar Shillong Mowbray.
My lord, order, if I just point out a few things, my lord. Mukaddama number so and so, my lord.
Yes. This was received by the Darbar Shillong, not by the village court.
Exactly, my lord. Even the...
Anyway, okay. Yeah, the records have been received and the same. You can have a look at the record also. Yes, parties.
My lord, another submission, lordship.
Yes.
The status quo order was passed by this honorable court on the 17th of October 2025. Lordship, on the 28th of October, the respondent number 7 sent us a letter to asking us to leave the suit land, lordship. After the status quo order was passed.
I don't think they know about the order. Yes.
My lord, what I pray, my lord, the matter can be disposed of, my lord.
We will dispose next date. I don't have time today. It's listed after 2 weeks, yes. Because the petition for admission hearing.
Status quo may continue, lordship.
Status quo continues. Well, that's the order. It's not order of the village court.
It's not, my lord.
No.
Much obliged, lordship.
I'll just resume. Because CG also has to travel his.
Much obliged, lordship.
Item number 2.
For the state response.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I paid for 2 weeks' time to file the rejoinder affidavit.
My lord,
Which matter about?
these are, my lord, where the Lokaयुcta has passed some direction for investigation. So against that,
Any
order.
interim orders operating
There is, my lord,
in your favor?
in petitioner's
Then
favor.
Lordship, the proceedings before the Lokaयुcta have been stayed, Your Lordship.
I can't hear you.
The proceedings before the Lokaयुcta.
They've been stayed.
Yes, yes.
The interim order process.
No, there are two matters or one matter.
There are two matters, my
Matters,
lord.
Lordship.
Connected matters.
Connected.
Next week, okay? Right. Yes. When was the affidavit filed?
Affidavit, my lord.
Lordship, we filed on the last day.
Yes, he received it on 11. MS Itakhar today praised that further time be given to file affidavit to file rejoinder. As the matter appears to be urgent, 1 week's time is allowed. It's next week. You inform me, senior, okay?
2 and 3, my lord, connected matters. Obliged.
Yes.
Much.
Item number 4.
Yes.
Your
Yes,
Lordship,
you're appearing today.
for sole respondent, I could not file my power because she is not well. That is why next.
Do you have any objection to the condemnation?
I have not seen actually. Only this morning he has supplied this. Your Lordship. So I'm not aware.
The NH Chaudhary has entered appearance today on behalf of the sole respondent.
Sole respondent.
Such notice is complete. He praised funds allowed. 1 week's time for objection.
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks for objection.
Yes.
2 weeks time for objection to the condemnation application. This thereafter for hearing on the this or the after also.
5.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
This matter was sent for mediation and thereafter it has come back, my lord, because the mediation failed.
The pleadings are complete.
My lord, here we received a copy of the affidavit, but typographical errors are there, my lord, so I'll have
Yes,
to.
the matter has been returned back from mediation on being unsuccessful stop. Mr. Kibi Varasaji for 1 to 3 praise for
Kindly allow 2 weeks, my lord, because
time for act. Similar prayer for you. You already filed. What on number 4? Where's number 4?
Sure, so far.
Number 4 is the accountant general.
Yes.
No one's there. 2 weeks time. Praise funds allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit stop. MS Kharvindai for 5 subjects after has been filed. None appears for respondent number 4. Just after 2 weeks. Yes.
always, my lord.
Item number 6.
My lord, this matter was sent before mediation, my lord. It has
Failed.
come back. It has failed.
Pleadings are complete.
My lord,
So what state we filed?
state they have filed their affidavit, my lord. I'll file my rejoinder, my lord.
Yes, same thing. Matters termination and being unsuccessful. Mr. Henson please will have to file a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the state respondents. Yes, after 2 weeks.
MPSC.
You file?
MPSC, yes.
Yes, so affidavit filed to the respondents and by the MPSC.
Obliged.
Obliged.
7.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, we need a week's time to file the affidavit in this matter.
Same thing, same order, unsuccessful. And Mr. Indishula and AG was also praise funds allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
Obliged.
8. 8.
My lord, in this case, I'm seeking for 1 week's accommodation in filing a rejoinder.
To whose affidavit?
My lord, against the affidavit of the respondents, the Darbar, my lord.
You play Darbar? What about who's for Darbar? Is regard to the telecom tower?
No. This is, my lord, this is the case in Dingpaso, my lord, where the family was claimed.
1 week's time?
My lord.
For rejoinder? Yes, Mr. P. Been praised for the only stand for rejoinder to
The affidavit
filed by
the respondents, my lord.
respondent number 4.
Number 4, my lord. Obliged.
9,
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I've already filed my rejoinder to the counter affidavit filed by the state, Your Lordship.
Lordship, in fact, the petitioner is supposed to bring, yes.
He's, as per my instructions, Your Lordship, we're not aware who this person is, Your Lordship. He's a family member, but he's not my son, Your Lordship.
Is that your son?
No, Your Lordship.
Well,
that they've said that a son of petitioner has been given appointment in place of the petitioner.
That is the
in your place.
Yes, Your Lordship, but we are not aware of that, Your Lordship. He's not my son, Your Lordship.
He's not your son.
No,
and who is he?
He's a relative of the landowner, Your Lordship.
This is a bit absurd, yes.
My lord, that is why, Lordship, that is why I am saying, Lordship, since third party right has been accrued, Lordship.
No, Mr. Pasantiyo can't praise him allowed to obtain instructions. What instructions? That he's not your son.
No, Your Lordship.
Simple as that.
And he has not.
On what basis was
My lord, this
given
is
a point as third party?
Yes, this is the representation given by the that landowner, Lordship, who says that that appointment was given to my son-in-law in lieu of the land. Now he
son-in-law or son?
Son-in-law.
Your son-in-law?
No.
Son of petitioner or son-in-law?
Landowner's son-in-law was initially appointed. Now he is not staying with the family. Then landowners, yes, Lord son-in-law. Then landowners again. That means the mother-in-law of the petitioner written a letter to the department.
Mother-in-law of the petitioner?
Mother-in-law of the petitioner. Yes.
Can you please just?
My lord, here the land was donated to the department, and in lieu of
so who Mr. A, where Mrs. B, whatever, donate this land to the government. Okay.
Yes.
Then A's son-in-law.
Son-in-law
was appointed. In
lieu of the land.
Then the son-in-law quit the job.
Yes.
Then now in the place son-in-law who's been appointed?
Now that son-in-law's son, that is the grandson of the landowner.
Just now you said the son of the priest been appointed.
Initially, he was the petitioner. Yes, Lordship, son-in-law.
Appointed, Your Lordship. So
he is the son-in-law of the donor. Yes, Lordship.
It's getting too confusing.
Now he is not staying with the family. Now the donor has written a letter to the department.
Who is staying with the family?
Pardon, Lordship.
The father of the appointee.
Yes, father.
Who was the order appointing that person?
Lordship, there's no appointment.
That is why I am saying, Lordship, let them to implement the person who has been
Here we agree because my service was terminated without notice, Your Lordship. I've been serving for more than 10 years, however, without notice, my service was
terminated. Then who is he? He said this.
He was the son-in-law of the landowner, Lordship.
What affidavit have you filed?
I filed a rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Now that is why I am saying let implement.
The court has to educate, cases on law, not on trying to create a family tree.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It becomes. Your rejoinder. See, read para 8 of the affidavit. That so on 4/2/2025, the department received a letter from the landowner informing the petitioner had separated from her daughter. You're the petitioner.
Yes,
you separated from the daughter of the landowner.
That was a very long time ago, Your Lordship. But this person who's appointed is who was appointed my place.
You were having the job.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Because you live separately, and you requested that your son be appointed.
No, Your Lordship.
I belong Sangre is not your son.
No, Your Lordship.
Who is he then?
He's a relative of the landowner, Your Lordship.
Then here an affidavit is written, happens to be the son of the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship. Now,
and based on that letter, they appointed your son. You're okay, whatever your purported, your purported son.
I've been serving for more than 10 years, Your Lordship.
My Lord, kindly see the representation.
If you can't discern is who.
That is at pace.
Their rejoinder.
No, in my counter affidavit.
I've seen that.
The representation.
Next one.
Next one, Lordship. That next page is the English translation. The letter.
Belinda Sangre, she's your mother-in-law. The one who wrote the representation.
Previously, I was cohabiting with them.
No, we cohabiting with her.
With her daughter.
Who's this person who filed the representation? You think this
that is the landowner, Your Lordship.
Who's here, mother-in-law or your wife?
I was not married to her daughter, Your Lordship.
There was no marriage, Your Lordship.
Mr. Vasanthi, you can't make this kind of submission. Who is she then?
She is the landowner, Your Lordship.
You're not married. Where do you derive right from?
Lordship, previously, as per my instructions of the record, the land was donated to the...
No. That means you're nobody. You're not married to her. You're not married. You're not the daughter-in-laws or your son-in-law of the owner. You're not married to the daughter. Then where you derive right from to take what from the agreement to be appointed?
The appointment was done.
You dismiss your case.
Just have it. We just have it for hearing, Your Lordship.
By the end of the board.
No, Your Lordship.
See, I so-and-so landlord donated the land so-and-so. Came to be on removal of street standing. We are standing Marathon.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who's my son-in-law? Now you see, she's not your mother-in-law.
No, Your Lordship.
You never married. Then where do you derive your right from to hold a job?
This land was given to me through the village, Your Lordship.
Given to you, the land?
Oh no, the appointment. Because at that point of time there was no.
Next year we'll dismiss it. This is next week. Now we understand. Yes. You have no right then. You deny that you're son-in-law. You deny that you're married to this person or daughter of the land owner.
Item number 10.
You deny that you have a son's been appointed in your place. Yes. Yes.
May please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I request more time to file my affidavit.
Why?
Lordship, still yet to receive instructions.
What's the matter about?
Lordship, this is regarding payment of pension to the second wife and
who's appearing for the? You made them party. Number 3. Yes. Had it been served?
Yes, Lordship. I'm appearing for the board, Lordship.
For the?
For MECL.
No. Number 3 is a private respondent. Oh, sorry. Number
7, Lord.
7. Yes. Who's been number 7? She's the first wife.
Yes, my lord. She's the first wife. But then, my lord, if I can take my lordship to page number 26, lordship.
26.
Of this order dated 23/7/2019 of this honorable court, lordship.
Page?
Lordship, it starts at page number 20.
Yes.
This order dated 23/7/2019, lordship.
Yeah.
And I would like to take your lordship to paragraph number 5 at page number 22.
Yeah.
Lordship, from reading of this paragraph, lordship, it shows that this matter is barred by registered kata, lordship.
Then file the affidavit.
My lord.
Waiting so long. This is a point of law.
My lord.
What's your name?
SW Sangma, my lordship.
So, Mr. H. Karanang, please call out further 2 weeks time for on behalf of the respective on behalf of responsible to what about number 6? Yes, to so by H. Karanang and also similar prayer by AB Pasak. No one appears. They've been served, number 7.
No, my lordship.
Not been served.
It is a common party.
Yes. Yes, do affidavit of service has been filed indicating service on respondent number 7. The ED card was received and there's no appearance on behalf of respondent 7 today. This list after 2 weeks for affidavits and for appearance respondent number 7.
11.
Much obliged.
Here we are praying for some time left for filing the counter.
Similar to your lordship.
No objection. You also. You're filing counter.
Yes.
Not filing.
Full file.
Lordship, they are seeking this 6th time. They are seeking time to file application.
6th time. Who's yes. 6th time seeking time?
The state respondent, your lordship.
What's the matter about?
The respondents stop releasing monthly salaries to the petitioner, your lordship.
Are they teachers?
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya. Why you think so much time for affidavit? If someone's salary is being stopped?
No, Lord, he is not even a sanctioned teacher. So he is not entitled to the salary of the state.
There is final opportunity of 2 weeks given to the responsible affidavit. You are the managing committee who's appointed in the place of petitioner. Oh, that kind of case. Yes. Further 2 weeks time is period allowed to respondents to file their respective affidavits. Expected next date after should be on board. Yes.
12.
Lordship, here I am praying some more time, Lordship. My affidavit is ready, Lordship. I am waiting for the signature, Lordship.
1 to 5, 6.
1 to 5, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. This would be between two wives, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. S.E. Sheikh, Leonard, government advocate for 1 to 5. Please follow up for a 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
I'll file.
Similar prayer, Lordship. Similar prayer made by Mr. Ahmed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Ivi Pasa for 6 and Yam for 7. This after 2 weeks.
I'll let you know.
13.
Lordship, I have received copy of the state affidavit filed by the state, Lordship, and the service upon the respondent number 8 has been served, Lordship, and I'll be filing the affidavit in the course of the day.
Lordship, I am appearing for the respondents number 5, 6 and 7. I seek a little bit of time, Lordship.
You file the joinder too?
I have not filed it, Lordship. I have received the affidavit filed by the state.
Yes, you already filed.
Lordship, yes.
Yes,
I have to go through the content. May I be allowed to file a rejoinder?
Submitted that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents 1 to 4 since been filed. Stop. Mr. L.C. on behalf of respondent 5 to 7. Various funds allowed for a 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Stop. With regard to the service on respondent number 8 is submitted by the learned counsel petitioner that he has since been served, and after indicating service will be filed in due course.
Yes.
Yes. This of 2 weeks.
14.
Lordship, the state has filed their affidavit, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? My humble prayer, Your Lordship, may be allowed us 2 weeks time for filing our rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Yes, as prayed, 2 weeks time allowed for rejoinder.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
My chocolate.
15.
Respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we are seeking some time, Lordship, to file our affidavit.
Yes, what's the matter about?
My lord, this is a matter where after serving for 30 years in the police department, my lord, I submitted my VRS, and instead of considering the VRS matter, I was terminated on the proceedings, departmental proceedings, which was also, my lord, vitiated of the rules, my lord. No presiding officers were appointed.
Okay,
that's the matter.
Prayed for the 2 weeks time allowed by affidavit.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
He's already out of service, correct?
He is all out of service, my lord.
16.
Lordship, we file our objection, my lord.
My lord, we have just received the copy of the
objection to condemnation.
Let it come up after.
No, my lord, the impleadment.
Impleadment application, my lord, we have filed.
To plead whom?
To implead the owner. Owner of the land, my lord, from whom I have purchased it. So this is pertaining to that personal. Let it come up after vacation.
Mr. Ensign submits that he has just received the objection to the implement application. You want to
I will go through first.
The matter be taken up after vacations.
Yes, obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Prayers allowed list after vacation on so and so date.
17.
Please, Lordship.
Who has the affidavit?
Lordship, please some more time, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
This is a matter about the retiring benefits. A person was working in a MECL as a lineman.
When did he retire?
Yes, Your Lordship.
When?
No, without brief, Lordship, this matter is being handled by Mr. S. Pandey, Lordship. He's under some.
Today is a big day.
I think so tomorrow.
I thought you all will be going. No.
My lord, someone has to be here.
Yes. As prayed for the 2 weeks time allowed.
18.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, steps have been taken on steps have been taken.
What's the matter about?
Lordship, this is a case where the Dorpashnong has tried to illegally revoke my rights, Lordship. They have denied NOCs and other amenities to me, Lordship, for not contributing to the pending litigation.
You want me?
My dear parents, for behalf of former respondent number 5, CM of Nangka, I'll be executing my power in the next case.
See, there's a slight, I believe it's one number 2, Darbashnong, what is this? Lapnar Rim.
Yes, Lordship.
They want to appear in person.
Yes, Lordship.
You aware of that?
No, Lordship.
Kanuri yun na. Kontang wait, tang sodara. Manakmat ng sodar, matiyang tuwisya din. What is the council? Who's appearing? You are appearing for CM Nongkla? Who's appearing?
For CM Nongkla.
What is the allegation?
Allegation is that, Lordship, there was a title suit which has been instituted against the...
Oh, they asked for the joint contribution?
Yes, Lordship. And because I was unwilling to contribute, therefore certain schemes and benefits were deprived.
Tigeteng no?
Bios.
Bios sodar jo kan dekal lat penarim.
Penartimai.
Lat penarim. Kan but the party is lat penarim.
Yes, Lordship.
Respondent number 1 is Latnar, Lordship.
Number 1.
Yes. Number 2 is Latnar.
Boleh film Pak Abu Pira.
Am tu jeng thọ dong but awan mi hiru dang te kemut ni.
Bu Pira mo, we'll have it next year.
Yes, Lordship.
Someone assist them, yes. The respondent number 1.
Respondent number 1, Lordship.
This would be respondent 1 is the Sardar of Lat Penarim is present in person. And he submits that he has appeared in person as is yet to engage a counsel. Lat Penarim pat kitan ni. Bagi kitan. Similarly, for respondent number 2. Kira Sardar Penarim. Ibu pelidar ho. Babu pelidar ho. Sabatai haki kat kebatai benek. They are permitted to engage. Rafim ban pelidar ru inapo court nilaban biang pelidar itu na legal aid.
Awak sa namar mangi.
Bisa.
Sin benungkong te nyum don pelidar ekin.
So any legal aid counsel here?
I'm a legal aid counsel, my lord. I
But
can
you're appearing
assist.
for the state, correct?
Yes,
Then-
but I can ask somebody from the
Yes,
panel
so
to assist
okay,
them, lordship.
That in the case you can come biang pelidar ban lihat masih no comes to pisah. So yes, appeared in person. So and express that they don't have any resources to engage counsel. So accordingly, the matter was referred to the High Court Legal Committee. Yes. Through MS Judicial Legal Aid Council for engagement of counsel on their behalf. Yes, after 2 weeks. Yes. Deeply obliged.
Much obliged, lordship.
Hearing, supplementary list, item number 4.
Yes, so why insisting on this case, Mr. Kriam? Who was insisting on the hearings matter today?
Hello? May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship.
Applicant?
Lordship.
Which applicant?
Well, it's a miscellaneous application has been filed for impleadment.
It's been impleaded, they've been impleaded?
No, my lords, we are objecting to that.
Why?
The issue here, my lords, pertains to...
Yes?
My lords, this is that, my lords, CDPS matter.
You filed objection?
My lords, we had sought liberty from your lordships to file it yesterday. My lords were my lords saying...
No, I'm going through what's the urgency?
There is no urgency in the matter, my lords.
That they say that the matter is holding up some appointments.
Yes, Lordship. There's a...
I'm told, my lords, that the Advocate General, my lords, was insistent on...
Yes.
My lord, I've children some under some difficulty today. But then, lordship, so the matter is also right now because of the stay of by this High Court, lordship.
Then you argue the matter today and you're not ready. What can we do?
My lord, may I have it
next week. Yes. Then if you're not ready, then you shouldn't have.
Then let it come up. Let it come up after a week. In the meantime, we'll file our objections.
You file your objection. We'll have it next Friday. Last opportunity, you're taking time. Yes.
Lordship, actually, I'm getting a lot of everything.
Yes.
Yes,
Mr. Sai. Yes.
Your Lordship, in this matter, if your Lordship will find.
Are you adjourning the matter or are you prepared to argue it?
I am prepared to argue it, your Lordship, also, as your Lordship deems appropriate, because in my respectful submission, the prayer in the writ petition is limited to consideration of the representation. If
Okay.
your Lordship finds the prayer, so therefore I have no objection if that direction is granted also. That representation.
Because this issue, my lords, if your lordships recollect, that the state was, my lords, there have been this series of meetings where the state, my lords, was to come up with some policy on this issue.
Policy regarding?
My lords,
draft amendment?
Yes, my lords.
Applicants are whom, Mr. Rinja? What is your interest?
My lord, we are the successful candidates, my lord. We had participated in the selection process, my lord. And our appointment has been staged the month of May, my lord, 15th of May. And we are suffering, my lord. The fact that they are working on contract basis and some of them are unemployed, my lord. For the reason, but there's some urgency, my lord.
But if we impede you, the matter will take longer to dispose of. Are you agreeable, Mr. Paul? Let them dispose of the petition within a time frame, as per your prayer.
Well, there have been a series of meetings, nothing's really come out of it.
I mean, what's the time frame given by the court? They have to count some instead of the meeting, yes.
Let this matter then come up on Monday. I'll seek instructions in the meantime.
Let it come on Monday then, yes.
Yeah. We'll take instructions on these lines.
Lordship, if I may submit, my lord, if the matter can come on Tuesday, my lord, I'll be available physically, my lord.
You'll be here, Mr. Paul, because John will be because
Let it then be on Friday. In the meantime, I'll have instructions.
Friday will be
fifth month. Either way, then your lordship can dispose of the matter. We will
dispose it off either Monday or Friday. Mr. Rinja makes available on Monday. Yes, or keep someone else.
Lordship, I won't be.
You put someone else in your place.
Let me Friday.
You're still at the threshold only.
Let it be on Friday. What happens? I'll file my objections
Monday
also.
or Friday. Okay.
Let it be on Friday.
I want to pray the parties this matter on Friday.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Lordship, this is that matter where we were issued notice under the PP Act, Your Lordship.
So what happened? There was some survey or something?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where's the report?
That they have filed it also, Lordship. They have filed it before this.
Is he on record?
Yes, ma'am. Affidavit filed on 19th June.
Balik na iway bangan manhalit keluar kasi. Affidavit filed on
19th of June.
June 25.
Yes.
Philip Manil. Defense Estates Officer? No. Sorry. Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
June, sorry. Wait.
Vilas H. Pawar.
Yes. Yes. What do you see in the affidavit?
Well, in this affidavit, lots of kindly comes to page 4, Milan. Annexure.
Yes.
By this letter, additional director of survey to additional deputy commissioner. Madam, with reference to the above and in continuation of this office letter under reference, I am submitting my views, comments based on document furnished by the Defense Estates Officer, Guwahati Circle, by letter number so and so, date so and so. As per the GLR plan of Shillong Cantonment, Annexure A, the plot of land located at Loom Survey opposite Fire and Emergency Service, Shillong falls under survey number 26. So survey number is important, 26. As per the extract from the Assam Gazette dated 16/1901, which describes the boundary of the defence land, this plot lies between defence boundary pillar number 11 and 12. The relevant portion describing the boundary of the defence land, which state that from pillar number 11 in a southwesterly direction up to the valley following the course of a small stream to pillar number 12, situated on its east bank and about 36 feet from it, coincides with the present boundary of the plot in question. Based on the
again with a relevant portion, this kind of boundary defence land which state that from pillar number 11 in a southwesterly direction up to the valley
following the course of a small stream to pillar number 12, situated on the east bank and about 36 feet from it, coincides with the present boundary of the plot in question. Based on the above point, it can be concluded the land in question falls under.
I mean, the entire land of the petitioner.
Lordship, I am occupying a very small.
Yes. Now, one second. This report says that based on the above points, you can put the land in question falls defense. Which land in question?
The land of the petitioner, my lord.
This is the map.
My lord.
This is the map. Where's the road? Pillar number 11.
On the right hand corner, my lord, pillar number 11.
Okay, yes. But it cuts across pillar number 12. There's a stream behind there.
Stream and then super colony.
So there stands that they got patta from Milim.
Lordship, before I come to all that, Lordship, if I may refer to this very letter which my learned friend is referring to.
Yes.
Lordship, this survey is conducted at the instance of the Defence Estate Officer. Lordship, the first two lines which my learned friend was reading, with reference to the above and in continuation of this officer's letter under reference, I am submitting my views, comments based on the documents furnished by the Defence Estate Officer, Guwahati Circle. Now, who is this Defence Estate Officer is very pertinent in this case, Your Lordship. Now, the Defence Estate Officer, if we go by their affidavit, Your Lordship, is one Sri Vilas H. Pawar. Their affidavit. It's sworn by one Vilas H. Pawar, who states that I am serving as the Defence Estate Officer, Guwahati Circle. Now, this Defence Estate Officer, at his instance, this inquiry is conducted. Now, before that, Your Lordship, what is interesting is the writ which we have filed, Your Lordship. Lordship will kindly come to page 20. This is the initial notice under section 4 of the PP Act, which is issued to me.
Page 20.
Lordship, Annexure 1. There's a section 4 notice under PP Act.
Yes.
Lordship will kindly note this is issued by the estate officer.
Yes.
Below, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. Now, as the estate officer, he has issued this notice asking me to show cause. Now, if I come after that, Lordship, I have responded and subsequently an order is passed which is under challenge in this writ, which Your Lordship will find at page 46. Starting at page 46, this is Court of Estate Officer. Lordship will kindly note case number so and so.
Yes.
Applicant, Lordship will kindly note is the Defence Estate Officer.
Yes.
Admittedly, Defence Estate Officer is H. Pawar.
Yes.
Now, who has passed this order, Lordship? Kindly turn to page 49. As a state officer,
Yes.
he himself writes his Vilas H. Pawar.
Okay.
So that's
you
my
feel
case.
that you can't judge.
Lordship judges in his own case, Lordship. So why otherwise, Your Lordship?
Where is the levers, Dr. Mojika? So you want to say that this report cannot be relied upon? Then they have to survey by an independent, as per the maps provided by Defence Estate Officer. The survey was done.
Yes.
Or what is it?
Yes, my lord. It says, my lord, as per
Let's see.
We have not been noticed during the survey, Your Lordship, and without leave of this honorable court when the matter is sub judice.
No, I think they sought leaves that we will.
No, Your Lordship, they informed.
Because there was a objection taken by the petitioner that part of it might fall in defense, part of it doesn't fall in defense land.
Lordship, if permission was sought, then we should have been noticed. Admittedly, we have not been.
They have not done any survey. It's just from the documents.
Lordship.
See, they have not gone to the. They have not gone on the ground.
Lordship, on the ground.
Above, some of my views, comments based on documents furnished by defense.
Lordship.
So there's just a.
And the person who's asking for this is the officer who's passing the order against me, which I've challenged before this court, Your Lordship. So I'm before Your Lordship before.
Number 11. This is a document which you read upon. This is page 7 of the affidavit. This is 1901.
In fact, the survey in our affidavit, you said, my lord, in para 3.
Yes.
At page 2.
Where is the report?
This is the report, my lord.
24-1.
Survey was conducted on 24.
This letter is 21st March. 24-1 survey. Where is it refer to the survey report? Where's the letter? Where's the report?
But this is the report, my lord. Page 4.
That's not the report.
This is the report by additional director, sir.
Oh, this is the page 5, right? Yes.
Now, my lord, in fact, with regard to the same land, my lord, there are several occupants, my lord. Now, notices were issued and the PP Act order has been passed against all of them. Majority of them, they've gone and filed appeal before the district judge, my lord. Except this petitioner who has come by way of writ petition, my lord. Now, alternate remedies available under the statute, my lord. And there is nothing to make out a case for interference under 226, my lord.
I hold up a lease, no?
Lordship,
Where's the other title document?
The landlord is, yes.
No, where
yes, Your Lordship, I'm coming to that. As recently as in 2006 also, Lordship will kindly come to page 43. That's a lease agreement issued by the Shillong Municipal Board.
Who's the Shillong Municipal Board?
It's not a party.
Why? It's a business license.
No, they're a party. They're a pro forma party, Your Lordship, but...
It's a pro forma.
And this, there was an earlier lease, Your Lordship, way back in. That also we've annexed, Your Lordship.
Who's
at
the
page
Sakat
33.
Hayat Varjari?
He's the lessee, Your Lordship. I'm his tenant, Your Lordship.
That the Balwandar Bar is a single-story building, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship. And he's been there for last 35 years.
Let's see what's written in the lease agreement. Who's this at page 43?
Lordship. The original lease is at page 33, Your Lordship, with this Sokat Hazat Wajri. Then he expired, Your Lordship, and 2006, after that his daughter has now come in. But in 2006 he was there. So it was again renewed, and that is there, Your Lordship.
It's a 2006 lease for 10 years.
No, the original lease is of.
We're just trying to ascertain what is the status of the possession as well. Whether it's just they're not squatters.
That we are not, Lordship.
They've come by way of
And if Your Lordship, even if we go by the map now that they've come up with, Lordship, that area
no,
it
and
is.
then Lecture 7 is the yes.
Is impugned order.
Impugned order, yes, but then the thing is that can this be taken up in the appeal in the matter before the PP Act with regard to their permissive or not occupation, the occupation which is based on. See, they have.
Lordship, we are aggrieved by the fact that the person who's deciding the matter is the complainant himself. So that's why we have not gone under the statutory provision.
That is another technical aspect, but we're just trying to ascertain whether your possession is not That of a, it's not that of a trespasser or just a squatter.
No, that it is not, Your Lordship. They also admit, Your Lordship.
What I've been told, my lord, that some portion of the shop is defense land, my lord, from the backside.
That is what we want to ascertain. So whether that the PP Act will be only for part of the portion
Yes.
which is falls
Yes.
in defense land.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship.
Do you agree to that? Part of it defense land, part of it is part of the leasehold land that you have.
Lordship, that has to be established. The entire
do it
area,
sitting
it's
in-
not an isolated one shop, Lordship. The entire area belongs to, it's under the municipality, Your Lordship. So
That Arya Samaj building is municipal land, or is it in?
the entire, yes, Your Lordship.
Or is it a defense land?
No, Your Lordship, it is not.
Are some, I have to find out.
Because that,
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship is correct.
Including personal knowledge. Now that establishment is there. It's contiguous to this Arya
Arya
Samaj
Samaj.
building. So behind we can understand why defense land.
Yes.
Where you used to
We have next a
those
photograph.
juggies and whatever.
Photograph. Lordship, pillar number 12 is in Arya Samaj building. And we have a photograph to, we've tried to annex just a
Pillar number 12 Arya Samaj building.
what in the map what they have shown as pillar number 12, that is where Arya Samaj building stands, Your Lordship.
But this has become really vexed, because there
So
are
at least they should have called us if there is a survey.
what has happened, there are more than 100 occupants, and the law and order issues, even NGOs are creating problem for that.
Pillar number 11.
Pillar number 12, Lordship, is where the Arya Samaj is.
No. Number 12. is
Sorry. Yes, Your Lordship. Where pillar number 11 is, that is where Arya Samaj is. We have
See,
the
so
photograph.
if we look at the map, that means only this frontage is where the bar is situated, correct?
No, photograph.
Right, Dr. Mozika.
Yes, ma'am.
That means their establishment will be, adjacent to pillar 11.
Where is the Arya
If
Samaj?
we look at this map,
Arya Samaj.
correct. This road goes pre-bazaar. This goes to
Yes,
right. So this little portion here.
like this.
See that this portion here will be. We have to send Arpit Commissioner.
समझ आया एक फोटो दे चलो ना फोटो टाइप होता है
So see, as per your map, up to from 11 to 12 defense land next to the stream.
Yes.
Correct. And after that is not defense land anymore.
Yes.
Yes. That means only in the front, like adjoining the Preview Road, is the establishment of the petitioner.
Yes.
So now your case is that they have the backside of their the establishment
Yes.
goes over pillar number 11.
Yes.
Can pillar number 11 be discerned on the ground? Is it still exists? Yes.
It's been pinpointed in the map, my lord.
Or does it still exist?
It's Lordship. This is the photograph of
The pillar number 11.
Yes, it is there. We've annexed in our rejoinder. We've annexed it. Lordship. It stands there.
This is the back side of your shop.
No, this is the front side, Your Lordship.
Oh, then that settles it.
Lordship, this is starting from this point to that point. Now, if they claim that the back,
it's getting a bit. Anyway,
Lordship.
I don't want to swim into disputed facts. Okay. Oh yes, yeah, pictures. We joined. Oh yes. But the pillar starts after the shop ends. See from page 6. If this is pillar 11.
This one, no?
See, if this page 6, if this is pillar 11,
Lordship.
Dr. Mozika,
12 is behind.
then
This is 11. Pillar is 12.
Lordship, what I've been told is the pillar 12 is behind the shop.
Appellate will be right behind. It won't be right, but it'll be quite far off.
Far off.
It's not that does. It'll be contiguous to that.
Lordship,
where the fire emergency, then the other complex is there. That is different.
So from the pillar number 11 is in front of my shop in the corner, and 12 is right behind. So my shop is very much within.
That's understanding. You see, Dr. Mojika, if this is pillar 11 and this shop falls to the left of pillar 11, then as per your map, I don't know why we get into this also. Interesting case. Where's your affidavit? Oh. Can you kindly just ask your people to do a little inspection just to verify that April 11 without creating a law order situation? Take down in the course of hearing, the learned DSGI has referred to the map dated 8/1/2025. Oh no, a map based on survey conducted on 24/1/2025, where it has been shown that from parallel number 11 in a southwesterly direction, up the valley, they say, see, up the valley to pillar number 12, situated east bank, falls within defense land. So in the rejoinder there too, the petitioner has annexed a photograph which appears at page 6 of the said rejoinder, stated to be the pillar number 11. So on this, as the matter concerns disputed facts, which prevents the court from going forward, so it is directed that who's the correct officer?
DO is a state officer.
The DO he has to nominate someone locally. It's not cantonment, right? This place.
It is.
Yes, cantonment
land. It is cantonment land, Archib.
Cantonment.
We direct the cantonment authorities. Yes. We direct who's the secretary of the cantonment board? This secretary, right?
CEO of cantonment.
The CEO of cantonment board Shillong, to make a cursory inspection as to whether the pillar shown at page number 6 is pillar number 11 as indicated in the survey map.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship, only may I pray that with notice to us so that we can be present when it is done.
Yes, the petitioner permitted to be present when the said cursory inspection is done.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
But it's very strange if this is the case, or is this number 11 at all? No,
it is, Lordship. It is indicated there. Because these are the pillars which still stand, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Portable pillars.
No, it's not portable. It's well embedded. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Just after?
Come out of vacation now.
After vacation.
Obliged.
Daily 24.
Yep.
24.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for Your Lordship's accommodation today. Your Lordship, conducting counsel is indisposed.
Who's the conducting counsel?
Miss Lingwa, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Miss Lingwa, Lingwa.
Yes. Why no one appeared last time?
Actually, I've asked my colleague, Your Lordship, to appear, but then she was not here.
You forgot?
She was on leave, Your Lordship.
Okay. So when should we have it?
Have it after vacation, Your Lordship.
After vacation. As the conductor counsel on behalf of the state.
Lordship, my only difficulty in this matter, Lordship, is that I've been removed from my service. When I filed this instant petition.
You're still in service?
No, I was removed, Your Lordship, by respondent number 4.
Then are you ready next week? We'll take up the matter.
All right.
After 1 week?
All right.
Yes, just after 1 week. As the conductor counsel, perhaps will respond in the post list after 1 week.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged.
25.
This matter also?
Yes, Your Lordship, the AG is currently...
In fact, Your Lordship,
before the Supreme
if
Court.
Lordship permits me, some new development come up.
Lordship, she has qualified in this current year and she has already been given admission. So, Lordship, I'm not pressing this.
Not pressing, yes, that's fine.
Yes, MSc Pune Senior Counsel. We are the petitioner submit instructions that she is not, that the petitioner is not going to press this incident matter any further. Accordingly, the matter stands closed as not pressed.
Obliged.
Deeply
Obliged.
Huh? Where's Mr. Lingdo? Sorry.
Actually, the matter come up on Monday. My apology as well. So there's some.
See, if you want to find unlisted, you make sure that all your petitions are not defective.
Your Lordship, I receive information only, like situation doesn't cover. But Your Lordship, I humbly apologize for like the matter come out Monday.
Madam.
Oh,